Lick me like a lollipop.
Hey vlog!
Hey vlog!
We made it to the beach.
Period. Look like bad bitches.
Ooh, she looks like a bad bitch. Alright guys. We got some buzz balls. Savannah got lime Rita and I got chili mango. And we're not really strangers.
Okay, we're gonna play this by Party Next Door.
Yeah, because someone forgot her speaker, so
Sorry.
alright. This is really good.
This shit good.
The mango flavor is really good, y'all.
This is really good. Ooh,
I feel it already.
ooh. We get
Buzz
water.
balls. Whoever made buzz balls,
We didn't even get no water.
we ain't get no water. All we got is junk food and liquor.
All we worse. Fucking liquor.
No speaker.
No speaker, no nothing, dude.
Just liquor. This is our second time coming to the beach at night together. Or the third. When we went with Maya, that was at Coco?
Third. This is third.
This is the third time. This is the third time we went to the beach at night. Just give him a winner.
Show no fear, it ain't safe round here, but she's still gonna hold on. It ain't safe round here, but she definitely right.
How many speeding tickets do you think I've gotten in my life?
Probably 2. More than that? I definitely have to speed ticket before.
I've gotten one, but I wasn't even speeding, bro. I did like 60 and a 40. Like, be for real. Like, that wasn't even nothing.
It's a good question. Because I already know this answer. Do you think I intimidate others? Why or why not?
Yes, you intimidate others.
Why is that?
You intimidate others because you that bitch. I can't be fucked with type of vibe.
These hoes can't fuck.
Okay. Both players share something you're most grateful for in this current moment. So you go first.
I'm grateful for life. I'm grateful for just being able to just live how I live every day without any worries. People call it cocky, like I'm more blessed to anything, but in this current moment, I'm just happy to just be alive. Like, we're so young and so many people are just like dying at our age. So just having life at this point, even though life isn't perfect, just being able to live.
Okay. I think the thing that I'm most grateful for in this moment is for this new transition that God, like this transformation.
Transformation.
Transformation. This,
Lord, transform me.
yes, this transformation that God is doing in my life is what I'm most grateful for in this moment right now.
Ooh, what do you crave more of?
What do I crave more of?
Mm-hmm.
I'm craving more adventure.
More adventure, more travel.
I'm craving more adventure, more experiences. Yeah,
Yes,
absolutely. What is a compliment you wish you received more frequently?
You are very sweet. I wish people would tell me more of how sweet I am. I think there's a perception like I'm like this bitch. When I'm really not. Like, okay, sometimes I have my bitchy ways, but I feel like I'm a sweet girl. Like, I'm really sweet and I have a good heart. I'm a good person.
Okay.
So if somebody could just say, like, when someone like, Savannah, you're really a good person.
Okay, Savannah, you're really a good person.
Thank you so much. I know I'm a good person, but like sometimes it just, I don't know.
It's nice to hear.
It's nice to hear that sometimes. Yeah. If you were to buy me a present, knowing nothing about me other than what I look like, what would it be?
Something expensive as fuck. Something expensive as fuck. Let me just look at you right now.
Bitch.
Let me see.
We got a little cheap bag today.
Michael Kors cheap bag today.
Wait. I cheap bag today.
If I could just look at you and I could feel your aura, there's nothing that I really would know exactly what to get. I just get you some tickets. Just go somewhere, bitch.
Go out
the country, bitch. Good morning, guys. So today is Wednesday. I'm on my way to my OBGYN appointment. After that, I'm getting my lashes done. As you guys can see, I'm real bald-eyed with it. Hashtag still cute though. I am still cute. I am glowing this morning. Amen. Amen. Amen, anybody. Wildin' Out is on Saturday, so I gotta kind of prep for that. I gotta order some clothes. I gotta overnight ship the clothes. Since I'm so last minute, I don't even know what I'm wearing. Recap of last night. The beach was beautiful. If you know me, you know I love the beach. The beach is like my third home. We ready? What a Gucci doctor. So I just left my doctor's appointment. Well, technically I'm outside my doctor's appointment, and it's only 11 and my lash appointment isn't until 3 o'clock. So I think I'm going to maybe grab a smoothie and then, I don't know, go to the mall. So I got the Bissell breakfast, which comes with eggs, bacon, biscuit, cheesy grits, gravy, and pancakes. I asked them to put the strawberry butter on there because the strawberry butter is so good. It's supposed to be for the waffles, but fuck it. Let's see if these grits is good, y'all. She told me it was good, but you know they be lying. I just know it's not gonna be good. Like I fucking thought. I should have went to Waffle House. Bagala pa can sell. Do not be shy with the salt. Season that mug. Season the grits. Jesus. Let's try the eggs. Not too bad. Still needs a little bit more. Better. Let's try the biscuit and gravy. This is really for my sandwich. Okay, that's pretty good. That was good. Good job. Now let's try the pancake. I normally eat this last, but for the vlog. That motherfucker good, boy. Strawberry butter is so good, y'all. 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. Delish. Oh, why Five and Below got these glissies, like, I don't know what this is, but okay, Five and Below. They got makeup at Five and Below. This is fancy. This is fancy. Did y'all know they had makeup at Five and Below? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I feel like I should just get something just because it's $5. Just because it's $5 and below. $5 and below. I don't know if this is too light, but look it. The UK girlies do it, so I'ma do it too. you what I need? I need contour. I need contour. Ooh, I'm shopping for 5 and below. Y'all do not let the celebrities fool y'all. They is wearing these 5 and below glasses. I'm telling you. Celebs, they are wearing these, honey. I also got them in white. They're so cute. It was only $5. Shit. So it looked like this. Let me put it on. So cute. So cute. Only $5. Come on. So I also got this little blush thingy. I got a lip mask. I got some face masks. And I got some concealer, hand sanitizer. I didn't go inside of 5 and below for any of that. I was looking for a canvas. And I left with some reject glasses, but they're cute, so who cares? Prada secured. So I changed into something a little bit more comfortable for my lash appointment because it's really cold in the lash room. The girlies know. And I let my hair down because it's just inconveniences the lash artist when your hair's in a ponytail. So I'm being very mindful, very considerate. So, and afterwards I'm going to the gym. So I have a sports bra on under. So I'm ready to go. Y'all see I'm rocking the 5 and belows? Stop playing. Stop playing.
yourself to me already. Gave you what you needed, I guess.
Y'all not seeing my lash tag. Don't play. Let me get me a treat.
Somebody. Yes, I'm back. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dead.
And we're back.
Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease.
I told you what to do. No, I'm not giving you a call. I'm not calling you, bitch. No, okay.
Dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me.
Good morning, vlog. So as you guys can see, I'm at the car shop. I needed an oil change. It's long overdue, and you know, I need my car, so that's a priority. So I knocked that out. I got some new tires and everything not too long ago. I'm feeling like a new girl. So I'm dressed for the gym as well. So once they're done changing my oil, I'm gonna go to the gym and work out. I want to show y'all the fit. Let's do a little quick fit check. Let me see, where can I prop you guys up? Okay, well, I'll just show you guys. I got this white jacket from TikTok. I love this jacket so much. It's so sexy to me. Look how snug it fit me. And then I got on these sweats from Amazon, I think. And then these New Balances. The New Balances were a birthday gift, but they're so cute. I hope you guys can see them. Let me show you again. But yeah, so I'm just gonna wait inside the store until they're done changing my oil, charge my phone up, do my devotional, and then get the day started, because tonight is wilding out and I'm excited. Made it to the gym. I think I'm gonna work out on full body today. I'm gonna hit everything, glutes, legs, back, abs, all that. So let's go.
I cannot give you the recipe. You know the game is so separately. Swear I just had an epiphany. Cost me 50 at Tiffany's. Shout out to Tiffany Stephanie. Used to always come check for me. My enemies wanna be friends with my other enemies. I don't let it get to me. Look what I done in my life. I had to count it again to make sure the money was right. They know the talk. Me, I'm just done in the hype. Me, I'm just done in the hype. Me, I'm just done.
All right, y'all, 2 hours later, I'm finally leaving the gym. I'm out of breath. It's just not doing so well this time. But I'm ready to shower, get my eyebrows done, and get ready for wilding out. Shit, I'm so excited. I don't even know what I'm wearing. I have no idea what I'm wearing, but let's figure it out. All right, guys, so I just called my eyebrow lady and she told me that it's not that many people, so let's go. I hope it's not packed inside of here. She said there was only 2 people, so I'm gonna have y'all meet Kim. She's so sweet. I love her so much. Hi, Kim.
Judy, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Well,
You miss me?
yes, I miss you.
You want to say hi?
Hi.
Alright, y'all. I made it. Let's get in the building. I hope Nick Cannon, DC Young Fly, Pretty V, B Simone, I hope they bring me out on stage.
Y'all make some noise for Luh Tyler!
Did it on my own, ain't never get a nigga. I'm about my paper,
I'm Mr. Too Sweet, nigga. Call me Mr. Chase that cheap, nigga.
all that shit you doing, babe, you just a pretender. They say my flow so cold, but I still bring the heat.
Yes, sir! Make some noise for Pretty V! Oh, man, put aside motherfuckers!
Let's turn it up, punk bitch.
Cut that shit up.
Kiss my eyes,
What the fuck
everybody.
do you have on?
I'm wearing something that you never wear on your dick. A magnum, motherfucker. You know I gotta show love to the people. Every time we go on tour, we gotta show love to the people that really support us. All y'all cool, y'all done bought the tickets and all that money and stuff, but we really gotta give love to the people all the way back there in them stupid seats. All the way back there, y'all wasting y'all money sitting all the way back there. Give it up for everybody in the stupid seats, make some noise! They too far back.
It's a big ass arena, man. They out there. Y'all are just as important too. Matter of fact, we gonna come up there and fuck with y'all a little later.
If y'all give us some gas money, because they ain't coming all the way back there for nothing. Get some gas money to come back to them stupid seats.
Well, VIP cups, double D cups, got double D cups. Titty. You know, every time you touch a titty, somebody get pregnant. You better relax. Pick up and kill it and kill it and kill it.
Pick up and kill it, we get all that though. Real, why you tell the people, why you always broke?
I'm always broke. You are not Tampa. You are dirty, just like from Tampa.
Just like from Tampa, man, keep it real with these black Air Force Ones. I'm from Jacksonville.
Orlando was popping. You know I'm that dude. What's up, big boy? Let's talk about food. Talk about food. That is a fact. I'm hungry, and ladies, y'all look like a snack. Look like a snack. Family, damn. Turkey, lamb. Candy, yeah. Chicken, fries like Popeyes. I wanna make breast and thighs. I don't respect homes. just saying words, you gotta listen. You ready? Let's go back in, V. Let's go back in, V. Let's go. Wall and everything.
Kiki!
I see you been working.
They think they gangster, but I'm on the grind still. I bet you won't try all that tough shit in Pine Hill. He paid for Gucci. He know it's a fee. I saw them buying pussy out on OBT.
Pick up and kill it, white women be tripping. Justina can't cook, she don't season her chicken.
If you bucking that classroom.
Justina be my dirty slut in the classroom.
Oh shit, I'm giving up in the classroom.
D-Red, I don't trust in the classroom.
One of y'all gotta get stuck
In the classroom.
More ice than a hockey puck in the classroom. Justina keep her dick tucked in the classroom.
It's a buck in the classroom.
Hey, let's go.
I got fired from my last job on television.
Oh.
But I can still give you this nick at night.
Hey, I'm gonna keep it 100 with you. I normally don't ask girls stuff like this until they tell me they're pregnant. What's your name?
Yo, what up? What up, baby? You remind me of my edges. Cause you are about to get lit.
I'm 2 Chainz.
What's up, baby? You remind me of the 20 letters in the alphabet.
There's 26 letters in the alphabet.
Silly me. How could I forget the U-R-A-Q-T? I'm sorry, silly me. You can get that D later.
The answer is things that Justina's voice sounds like.
What is a nigga?
I love that. That's a compliment.
You dirt bike. Black people, Spanish people, Puerto Rico, Mexico, Dominicano. Come on, you make me happy. Hey, what's good? I'm down the student six, we can't hear you.
Oh shit, Orlando!
Damn.
The season up.
Justina, you don't know the words to that song. Over here embarrassing all you. You need to sing White Hood classics.
Like what?
What is Miley Cyrus? Party in the USA.
Oh shit!
What is swag serve?
We gonna start it slow. Exactly. Put your You gotta come up here.
I'm having the time of my life.
You trying to get free.
Fuck all that. I got one more thing to say.
Talk your shit, Con.
Everything you wear, nigga, you need to go up an extra size. Nigga, you are heavy size. Matter of fact, you are a Chevy size. Nigga, you are every size except for exercise.
Jesus.
Get a gas, you get that line there. Up that 100 pack, don't talk away from my time, baby. Why ain't got no hits on you? I guess it ain't my time yet. Don't stay that way. Do you trust me? Say you got my back, but this that pack got you wanna fuck me. Can I keep it real for a second, baby? Would you judge me?
a drum boy. Yeah, little bitch. Ain't gonna lie, I was in my city. Just get me a lick in the project. Got strikes on this, goons on deck. Then the slide through the strip club and make a man. I don't want that hoe. Just a lame, you wicked nigga on. Then it snatch me a hoe and spit it on. Here we go. Hey, bro, Plies. All women straight tonight, dog. I want your mind, give me that bacon. This shit crazy, way too bad. Rose, and where the kill man, blue dog. I told her I was the real nigga, she with me. First time I called her shit, she ain't got it up. Now she ain't I got her. I told her how to talk to me while she take it. It don't let me show her what a real nigga. I told her you can do this, don't fuck on the first time. So that's how beat your back.
Not to serve you and I told her while the bus and baby cause she keep it tight. Whenever I tell her the bus, I gotta tell her twice.
Whenever I roll to get out, she I love the show all cause all the dope boys. Nobody wanna be paid. Look how that pussy sit up in the show. Lord, we shine like she bow-legged. She proud to be fucking me cause it feel good to be fucking a real nigga. Ain't called in 2 days. Cause when she miss me, she call and tell me. That's why I'm mind breaking her off cause she ain't with them. If you done fucked her before, you know why then. You know she gotta be something cause I done beat her. They ain't snatching down there, I'm telling ya. I exposed her to real Nazi. Remember she used to run from me. He said call it, ain't call it. Hey, he said this shit on his last house.
I'm back, guys, and I am beat. After wilding out, I went to a party. I raised the roof a little bit. I ate, and it's currently 2 in the morning, and I just got home not too long ago, did some TikToks, and now I'm ready for bed. I'm ready to get all this makeup off my face and just go to bed. Honey, I am tired, okay? I am beat, okay? I am B-E-A-T, okay? So I had such a good time tonight, y'all, and I was sitting by myself, but I still had an amazing time. I had so much fun. Emmanuel Hudson is so funny. Conceited is so funny. Like, I was dying laughing. Our Plies put on a show, honey, okay? Plies started playing the old banger, Miss Becky, Bussy Baby, all that, you know? He played all the bangers. Plies was the best performance. Honestly, I love him. I love him. I love him. They brought out Luh Tyler. They brought out Boston Richey, and they brought out Plies. And Luh Tyler, he was sitting in front of me, like he was sitting in my section after he performed. Like, him and his posse just rolled up in front of me and just sat down and enjoyed the show. So that was crazy. How out of all the sections, he sat in front of my section, but I ain't get no picture or nothing, you know. He was vibing, he was cooling, so I ain't, you know, wanna intrude, you feel me? I ain't wanna pry. But I had a good time, y'all, so let me get ready for bed. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay. Did you do it? Did you do it? Did you click the subscribe? Subscribe. 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 Yeah, turn on your notification bell so you can see whenever I post a new video, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Good night.
I might just hit it through a horse. That's on my element. I like dark skin. Love a melanin, talk, pushing me to talk. When I'm stepping in, 30 bottles at the scene till I'm sentiment. I had the Lambo.